Hi there, students. Hypothetical. Okay, something that is hypothetical is something that is suggested or imagined, but not necessarily real. It's not necessarily true. So let us think of a hypothetical situation where somebody goes into a shop and puts something in their pocket and walks out without paying. So this is an imagined situation. It's a hypothetical situation, a hypothetical example. Okay, so something that's hypothetical is something that we are hypothesizing about. We are imagining that this is true for the sake of example. Okay, so a hypothetical case. It's a statement for to imagine. Yeah, you're thinking about a proposition. Okay, so hypothetical. It's something that is supposed but not necessarily true. There should be a large amount of money in this in this business, yeah, but it's not. So this hypothetical amount of money should have come from the sale of these things. A hypothetical case based on hypothesis. Okay, a conjecture, a suggested idea, a suggested theory. So a hypothetical argument. It's not real, it's just imagined. So a hypothetical question. Okay, it's not a real question, it's an imagined question. A hypothetical scenario. Okay, a scenario, it didn't take place, but let us think about this. Let us imagine this scenario. So if something is hypothetical, it's based on possible ideas. It's based on possible situations. It's not based on real, actual ones, although we suppose that they could be true. This is something that's academic, something that's assumed. Okay, so something that's hypothetical is what could be real, is what we are imagining to be real. It's something assumed, something we think about exists. We're speculating about this. So this situation is purely hypothetical. It's not real. Let's take a look at a hypothetical case. Okay, the result for a hypothetical example comes like this. If you think about hypothetical situations, you can understand things better. A hypothetical example can illustrate the problems that you might have. So something that's hypothetical, it's based on a hypothesis, or it's conditional. Okay, a hypothetical circumstance, a hypothetical scenario, a hypothetical situation. It's thought to exist. It exists only as an idea, only as a concept. So a time machine doesn't exist. It's still a hypothetical machine. Okay, if we could hypothetically travel in time, then maybe we would use a time machine. Hypothetical reasoning is reasoning where we are using various different hypotheses to make it happen. A hypothetical case is something that's assumed to exist for the sake of argument. Okay, something that is a theory, it's a possibility, it's supposed, it's assumed, it's imaginary. We're talking about speculation. It's not known, it's not something real. Yeah, it's abstract, it's just exists in theory, it's conjecture, it's something that's presumed to be true. Yeah, You say you have a friend in this place. This hypothetical friend, let's presume it's true. Very often we use this word hypothetical to when the logic for it or the evidence for something is not very strong. It's rather inconclusive. So, hypothetical. As to origin, let's see, this comes from ancient Greek, from hypothetikos, hypothetical. And let's see, formality, hypothetical. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think more informally imagined, imaginary, supposed. 6 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hypothetical.